Hello guys, so today we are going to talk about the last type of the logic gate, which is the XNOR gate. The XNOR gate, which is exclusive NOR gate. It has two inputs and one output. So here it gives an output of 1, true or high, if all the inputs are 1, true or high. The output is 1, true or high if the inputs are the same, high, true, or 1, low, 0, or false. If the inputs are different, the output is 0, low, or false. So here let's move to the truth table. So we have two inputs, A and B, and one output. So if the two inputs A and B are 0, 0, or low, false, then the output will be 1. But if one of the inputs is 1, then the output will be 0. So the same thing here. Here A is 0, input B is 1. So here is 0. Here input A is 1, input B is 0. The output is 0. And if the inputs A and B are 1, 1, the output will be 1. So this is the symbol for the XNOR gate, or the exclusive NOR gate. So the components needed for wiring demonstration using the relay and push button and indicator is start push button, normally open, 2 pieces, 8, 11, 14 pin or blade relay, either DC or AC, 2 pieces. Indicator lamp or bulb, single pole breaker, 6 amps or 2 amps for control. So now I will now show the wiring diagram or the control diagram using the relay and the start push button and the indicator. So this is our control diagram. So we have our live here, our control breaker or control fuse, 6 amps or 2 amps. We have input A, which input A, which the one of the push button is representing. Input B and the second push button 2 is representing. We have the relay 1 R1, relay 2 R2. We have our neutral here. We have our indicator lamp, which will serve as the output, and these are the contacts of the relay. They normally open, connected in series with, so the normally open of relay 1 connected in series with relay 2, normally open. The normally close of relay 1 connected in series to relay 2, normally close. So you can see. So here, when the system is idle, or the switch or the inputs A and B are not 1, current will flow from here, because here is normally closed, come to the lamp and the indicator will illuminate. If you put input 1 here, what will happen is that one of the contacts here, this relay energized, this contact closes, but here will open, so no current flows. At the same time, when you give an input of 1 here by pressing or energizing this relay, this contact will also close, but this one will open. Already here is open already, so currents can flow to start here. Here to current will flow and start here, so the indicator won't come. But when you give input of 1 to the 2 inputs, which is A and B, when this relay energizes and this one to energize at the same time, here will close, then here will also close, but here will open. Then now this place will now be normally closed when energized, so the lamp will illuminate. Then this normally closed or will now be normally open when the relays are energized. So you can see the diagram steadily. And if you need any diagram or any control It's just about your specification. Just tell me how you want the system to work. I will sit down, design it with a pencil for you. We will find a way to put it on a paper nicely and well presented. We will verify and test it. Everything will work perfectly. I would like you people to wait, like, subscribe, comment, and share. Follow me on all social media platforms for us to get more videos and more demonstrations to learn on. So now I will now demonstrate it using the relays, the push button, the indicator. So now I will on my control breaker. So as I said, or as I shown on the truth table, when the two inputs are 0, low or false, the output will be 1, high or true. If one of the inputs A and B is 1, the output will be 0. So this input A1, output 0. Input B, 1, output 0. Now I will now give input of 1 to the two inputs A and B. Let's see, it will still come on, because I said earlier that now all the normally closed will now open and all the normally open will now close. So when input A and B at 1, the output will be 1. When input A and B are 0, the output will still be 1. So you can see now no input signal, but the output is 1. I'm giving an input of 1 to the two inputs, which are input A and B, but still the output is 1. So this brings us to the end of logic gates. We will start with other types of design. Now the logic gate is the basis for us to bring in more designs, more logical controls, and more systems. So we will now use the logic gate from the first one, or from the basic gates, adding them together, using them in our controls, because we use them in motor starters, PLCs, elevators, and other logical machines. So we will now improve them, since we have learned and also get the understanding of it and their wiring. We can now add them together, bring them together to make logical systems that can help us, or logical designs. So this brings us to the end of logic gates. We will start with another designs from the other video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment, and follow me on all social media platforms. Thank you.